The 2025 Audi S5 Sedan is here, and it's redefining what it means to blend luxury with performance. Whether you call it the Audi S5 Sedan 2025 or simply the 2025 S5, this car is turning heads for all the right reasons. From cutting-edge technology to thrilling performance, let's dive into why the new Audi S5 2025 might just be the best luxury sports sedan on the market. At the heart of the 2025 Audi S5 Sedan lies the tried-and-true turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, delivering a thrilling 349 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. Audi's engineering brilliance is on full display here, allowing the S5 Sedan 2025 to launch from 0 to 60 in just 4.4 seconds. But this isn't just about speed. It's about precision. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures unparalleled grip in all weather conditions. Paired with the adaptive suspension, the 2025 S5 Audi delivers a smooth ride for daily commuting and razor-sharp handling for spirited drives. It's a car that adapts to you, not the other way around. With Audi Drive Select, you can fine-tune the car to match your mood. Dynamic for when you want thrills, comfort for long drives, or auto for a perfect balance. The Audi S5 2025 makes every drive an experience. The 2025 Audi S5 is not just about what's under the hood. Its design is a testament to Audi's commitment to blending elegance with sportiness. From its bold single-frame grille to its sleek matrix LED headlights, the new Audi S5 2025 is unmistakably Audi. The wide stance, sculpted body lines, and quad exhaust tips not only improve aerodynamics, but also give the 2025 S5 Sedan an aggressive yet refined look. It's a design that commands attention without shouting. Customization options, like the optional 20-inch alloy wheels and exclusive paint finishes, allow you to make the 2025 S5 Audi truly yours. Step inside the Audi S5 Sedan 2025, and you're greeted by a world of luxury and technology. Audi's virtual Cockpit Plus, a high-resolution 12.3-inch digital display, puts navigation, performance stats, and entertainment right at your fingertips. The 2025 Audi S5 takes comfort seriously. Sport seats with premium Nappa leather and contrast stitching offer exceptional support. With customizable ambient lighting, you can set the mood to match any journey. The new Audi S5 2025 is designed to make every day easier. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, take the stress out of city driving. Audi's mild hybrid technology is another step forward. Compared to rivals like the BMW 4 Series Gran Coupe or the Mercedes-AMG C43, the 2025 S5 Sedan strikes a perfect balance. The 2025 Audi S5 Sedan isn't just a car, it's a statement. So, what do you think? Is the new Audi S5 2025 the luxury sports sedan of your dreams? Let us know in the comments below.